Hey y'all, beautiful love forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. And I'm gonna take the first two shades and put those on my lids. And then the third shade I'm gonna put in my crease. Quick reminder before we get back into the look, I upload new shorts every Monday and brand new makeup tutorials every Friday. So make sure you subscribe if you want to keep up with all my content. Okay, I already put on my lashes and my moisturizer. Now I'm going to use the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm going to use the Nars Pore and Shine Control Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kampala 340. To cover the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. To highlight, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Honey Translucent to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in 65 Toffee. For blush, I'm going to use the Almay Healthy Hue Blush in So Peachy. To add a little shimmer to my face, I'm going to use the ABH highlighter in Peach Fizz. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper and the Too Faced Sweet Peach Lip Gloss. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. And that's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this warm-toned glam makeup look. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. See you all in the next video, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.